Hi, my name is Lorena, and today I'm going to show you how to assign a page or pages to your classes. Let's get started. First, we'll go to assignments, and right there you will see either a calendar view. In this case, I'm looking at a list view, but I can do either, whichever you prefer. Then we'll go to create a new assignment right here. So you have two options. You have the option to just assign the current page, which is the last page that you visited on the platform, or you would choose different pages. This one will allow you to assign multiple pages to your students. I will click on different pages. Then it will take you to the different units within the book. You would select whichever activities you would like to assign. In my case, I'll assign this one, this one, this one, and you will see how they turn green. After I'm done selecting the activities, I will click on Finish Selecting Pages. And then I'll see right here a view of the class or classes I have created. You have two options per class. You can assign these activities to the full class, or you can assign just these activities to some specific students. So if you select specific students, you can select specific students that you would like to complete these additional activities. Make sure that you have at least one green selection right there in order to continue. When you're done doing so, you can click on Finish Selecting Classes, and then you will have the option to send these assignments to either a specific folder that you have already created or to add a new folder. If you would like to add a new folder, just add unit. In my case, I'll do Unit 1, Story 1, for example. Okay, and then I will click on Use Selected Folder, and then I will be taken to this section in which I have some assignment options. First of all, we have this checkbox that says Available Immediately. So your students will be able to see the activity and to do the activity if you assign them right now. If you would prefer to plan future activities, you can click on Available On and then selecting any day in the future that you would like your students to see this activity. And when you're happy with that, you just click on the specific date. If you would like your students to see this assignment before it is available, you can check right here. This option will just allow them to see that they have an activity, but they won't be able to see any exercises or activities until the date that you have selected right here. This is a good option for planning and for letting your students know that they are going to have an upcoming activity. Then you have the assignment section, whether you want your students to have an assignment date or no due date. If you do want a due date, you can specify when you want your students to turn in their assignment. And you just click on that and scroll it down so we can see the dates. Okay, we can choose when you want them to have to turn in their assignment. And here you have three options. You can select from hard deadline, soft deadline, or open-ended. Hard deadline will not allow students to submit any assignments after the date and time you have specified. Soft deadline will allow students to submit just one assignment. If they hadn't submitted, they won't be able to redo the assignment. If they had already submitted the assignment, it will just allow students who have never done any assignment past the due date to do it. The last option, which is open-ended, will allow students to go back to the assignment and modify or resubmit any assignments. This is a good option for written or speaking activities in which students will submit the activity, they will get teachers' feedback, and they will work on the same assignment by following any feedback that their teacher has provided them. When you're happy selecting the options that you would prefer, just click again on Use Selected Dates. And then you will have other parameters right here in relation to the assignment. We'll cover these specific parameters in another video. And I'll just show you just whether you want to add any timer. We'll just click on Allow Review. And when you're happy with these parameters, which you will learn in depth in our next video, you will just click on Use Selected Parameters. Right here, you will review that all the activities that you would like to assign are there, any dates that you specified, any type of deadlines, and the name of the students. If you selected specific students, that you have all your students there. You can select any notes if you would like for them to, like say, for example, work in pairs or any other notes. When you're done with this and you're ready to do it, you click on Create Assignment right there, and you will see the assignment that has been created for this class right here. In other videos, we'll also show you more details in relation to editing your assignments and changing other parameters. So if you do have any questions, you can always send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com or simply click on the help button for other options to contact us. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.